I have Andre here, service manager over at USA Medical Supply. So when you get a stair lift assessment or a ramp assessment, Andre's the guy you're going to see. And I have one question for you today, Andre. What is the most dangerous part of the stair lift, or potentially the most dangerous part of the stair lift? So when people are looking to purchase these, what can they look out for when buying?
Yeah, so definitely one of the most dangerous parts of the stairlift is when it has to have this folding rail that is needed when there's a door or something, obstruction at the bottom there. So see how the folding rail goes down and then the carrier is going to ride on it. So in this particular design with Harmar, that folding rail is on a fixed hinge, right? So if there's any type of object or a person or a pet or something in the way of that folding rail and the person operating it does not see them, this thing is just going to crush whatever is there. It's not going to stop because it doesn't have any sensors or anything like that. It's literally on a fixed hinge, right?
What's an incident we've heard about in the past from one of our customers? What happened where it was pretty alarming, you know, when we both heard about this?
Yeah, we did hear about an incident, very serious. He had a couple of pets, and one of them is just very energetic dog, just kind of running up and down the stairs, and he avoided this folding rail many times, but it happened once that when the user was going down, the dog just went right under it, and this folding rail just seriously injured that pet. So that was definitely, you know, disturbing and very sad to hear.
So if somebody has a pet or a small child and they're not paying attention, this can be very, very dangerous. And in order to avoid that from happening, is there another stair lift that maybe has a better design or better safety feature when it comes to that?
Yeah, so for example, this Access BDD one has this folding rail, or they call it a hinge. It's right here on a motor, and you can see that. And then it is not directly fixed to the carriage, right? So when this thing comes down, there's a motor that pushes it down and up, and that motor is going to measure the resistance, right? So watch, like I'm going to stand here, and I'm going to try to have this come down, and it's going to hit me.
Oh, wow, it just stops.
Right away, it's beeping, and it just stops, goes into like this error mode, right? So it's very, very like little resistance that I have to just hold, and it's going to stop us. So this is definitely you know, you'd say a much safer like design. Obviously, it has another motor, more electronics, things like that. But when safety is involved, this is definitely a safer option for this particular feature there, the folding rail or the hinge.
Okay, great, Andre. And if they want to contact you for a free assessment?
Yeah, that's 413-733-7843, extension 110.
If they want to text you?
413-200-4191.
All right, thank you, Andre.
God bless.